airplane was never designed to roll, and it was definitely never designed to roll on takeoff. The airplane produced by the Beechcraft Aviation Corporation of Wichita, Kansas. An airplane known as the C-45 contributed mightily to the United States effort during World War II. This restored airplane is now in the hands of the very competent and experienced Matt Younkin. So stand by as he brings this venerable airplane, noted mostly for hauling high-powered executives and a lot of freight, right back to Air Show Center. Beautifully executed barrel roll to minimum altitude as Matt rolls out on the right-hand side of the aviation or the aerobatic box. Listen to the sound of those Pratt & Whitney engines. Beautiful 270-degree turn, roll to a right-hand turn. Boom! Get down there amongst the southern pine beetles as he takes the airplane up and around. And now he'll be setting up for his next maneuver. Again, never designed to fly aerobatics, much less what we're going to see now, the 4-point roll. The airplane is actually flying upside down. That'll have to keep a little bit of positive pressure on the aircraft because the fuel and all sorts is not designed to go upside down. Let's count them off. Over upside down for 2. Rolls it back down. Any of you fly aerobatics on a Microsoft Flight Simulator? This takes a little bit of finesse. About 3.5 Gs at the bottom, floats across the top. On the backside, the G-forces once again start to build. Oh, you just scared a few more gophers out there. Well, you've seen the 4-point slow hesitation roll. Let's divide those points from 90 degrees to 45. That's going to swing back around this time and do an 8-point slow hesitation roll. A little bit harder because you got to switch hands, you know, when you run out of fingers. And keep both going. Here comes the nose up. He's coming back around this time. He's pulling the airplane in that wide, sweeping crop duster turn. Allows the airspeed to bleed off and lowers his turning radius. And he comes back. This will be a rolling pass. Now he's going to roll from the Pillsbury Doughboy, but that's a long big airplane. And rolling it around the center line. And as Matt's going to be setting up again, he's going to be sliding slightly behind us on the left-hand end zone. He'll be coming by for a photo pass. All right, as Matt rolls the airplane at the end of the runway, you'll notice that he puts his gear up for landing. Most pilots put their gear down for landing, so the perspective is different. He was upside down when he selected gear down. He was upside down and the gear went up. Well, we'll just say that the gear is extended as he swings it back around. Now there's a lot more drag hanging out on the airplane. He's going to fly a lot slower as he comes by what we call the dirty pass, not because of bugs on the windshield, but because of aerial demonstration. Here he comes with a baby elephant walk. Flight Systems, Wayland Aviation Lighting to those pros. Locusting Boom Lighting System, Hardy Aviation Insurance, my good friends at Champion Aerospace based in Liberty, South Carolina. Pacific Coast Avionics, Stein Air Avionics, PS Engineering, Goodyear for those feet that he's going to be landing on, the David Clark Company, Oregon Aero, Concord Batteries, Pacific Oil Coolers, Hooker Harnesses, Volato high-density sunglasses, and bombshell. I'm not even going to go there and ask what that is. But he's going to bring the airplane back around and be setting up for his landing here in just a moment. Well, Matt's setting up for his landing now. He'll be bringing the airplane back in. Matt Younkin, third generation aviator. His dad, one of the finest men that I've ever known, I had the opportunity to work with. Flew not only the 18, but Samson, a huge biplane, and performed in a Lear Model 23, jet-powered aircraft performing these very same maneuvers. The Younkin family always pushing the edge of the aviation envelope. Matt, roll it on back in here.